In this video, I'll show you how to connect your AirPods 4 with your Chromebook computer. It's quite easy, so let's get started. First, we need to make sure that your AirPods 4 are into pairing mode. How do you know this? Is once you open the case lid, like that, this light in the front should blink white. This tells you that they are in pairing mode. If you do not see it, like mine's here, double tap on the front of the case. Oops, with the case open, it should stay open. Okay, so by double tapping, the light will flash white and means that it's in pairing mode. So go ahead, go on your Chromebook over here on the lower right side where the time is and everything, click on it. Then you're going to see Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth. Then pair new device, click on that. And automatically you should see your AirPods appearing in this list. They should stay close to your Chromebook, by the way. Click on them and wait. The pairing process will begin and it should only take a few seconds. Then it will disappear, and if you check on the lower right side, you're going to have a confirmation that they are now connected. So go ahead, open YouTube or anywhere, and you'll be able to use them right away. Put them in your ears. If you want to disconnect them from your Chromebook, go again, same place where it says Bluetooth here, your AirPods, click. And what you can do is to click on them. And over here, click disconnect. And this will disconnect them from your Chromebook. But next time you want to use them, you simply need to put them back in your ears and they will reconnect. If you want to completely delete them, unpair them with your Chromebook, you need to press the forget option here. And this is great if you want to resell them. And next time you want to use them with your Chromebook, you will need to do the pairing process that I just showed you again. So this is about it. I hope this was useful. If so, please leave a like, subscribe, type a comment, and I'll see you in the next video.